Hey, so this is what we call our field trip or RBM's treasure hunt. I'm sure anyone who has been to field trip would understand this, but no hard feelings because we had a lot of fun and learnings. Here are the four pillars of the business: retailer, PA, RPM, and a communications guy. You must be wondering what are they doing together? Trying to set up a fake interview.
एक काम हमारा स्टार्ट में हुआ था जहाँ के लिए हुआ था कम 5-6 दिन पहले हुआ था।
No, really, he told a lot about the business as a retailer and trader and how everything works for him. And it was great listening to him.
जैसे वो तो काम हुआ प्रॉफिट
अभी प्रॉफिट 2% होता है मान
2%
बस होता है
एक साल में कम से कम 2 लाख 20 लाख
10 लाख हो गया
10 लाख तो प्रॉफिट ही हुआ।
Then Komal and Ashish had some weird questions about the money, and he also very honestly told us everything about it. I hope it was honest. We also had food. And then we went around the village to figure out some other content ideas and shoot some videos. And we did shoot a lot of videos. At the end of the day, we had to close it by listening to Hasnan, the veteran FarMart employee who told us a few stories from the past, and we actually learned a few things about the company from him as well. As you can see, just the two of us in the first frame and then a lot of people in the second frame. Tells a lot about what we were listening to. For the second day, we went from Lucknow to Lakhimpur to meet a few retailers from that region. And we met Irfan there, who helped us a lot with the content. We also met a lot of farmers who were connected to him. And now you know why I call it RPM's treasure hunt.
पानी वानी का क्या संसाधन है? पानी तो डैम से निकालते हैं, बोर से। यावत रहने में तो फायदा नहीं है, किसान को बनाओ, उसको फायदा कराओ, तभी तो।
We had just met a retailer who was also an ex-Pradhan, and he gave us an interview as well. So me and Ashish were discussing how farming and politics work together.
इधर भी चीता घूमते हैं क्या सर? हाँ सीजन से टाइट होगा।
Then Irfan took us to a banana farm where we shot multiple videos, and Ashish had to show that content team is not just a content team, it's content in itself.
यासीस को पिला रहा हूँ मेरा बहुत पहले का।
On the third day, we met Pratik Bansal, who works with us, and he gave us a lot of insights about everything, equipments, how the business works, and we learned a lot from him.
उसके बाद 10-15 रुपए जो प्रॉफिट लेना होता है वो प्रॉफिट जोड़ के सेल कर देते हैं। अच्छा मतलब एक क्विंटल पे हाँ बस और क्या, इससे ऊपर का मार्जिन नहीं सर। वो एक अलग बात है कि मैंने 2400 में खरीदा, कल को मार्केट टाइट होके अब वो 2500 बिक जाए तो वो तो हमारी अपनी किस्मत की बात है।
अगर आप उसको दांत लगा के बीच से काट दोगे जहाँ से धारी बनी हुई है,
अच्छा
ये धारी बनी हुई है, अगर आप यहाँ से इसको काटोगे तो आपको मॉइस्चर नहीं पता लग पाएगा।
तो फिर कहाँ से
आपको ऐसे काटना है नहीं, ये लाइन पे नहीं काटना है,
लाइन पे नहीं काटना है।
ये काटना है।
अच्छा आधा काट दे।
अब ये देखिए जब मैंने काटा तो कट से आवाज आई ना आपको भी, इसका मॉइस्चर ठीक है।
अगर कट से आवाज नहीं आएगी तो मतलब
जितनी तेज कट से आवाज आएगी उतना कम मॉइस्चर है। और जितनी धीमी आवाज आएगी
We also went to a village near the Nepal border where the retailer had organized a lot of farmers and Asis gave them a speech about FarMart and what are we going to do ahead. So this is how our trip ended. But what have been our learnings? The first learning is that it's all about the 1% and the 2% of the profits. No, not really. But yeah, the most important learning that we came with was that there's a lot more to the business that we can see. And it's very important for us as communications team to understand how the other aspects of the business work and how we can integrate that into our communications and how we can come up with better ideas in communications. Second learning was that we learned a lot about the stakeholders, be it farmers, retailers, PAs, RPMs, their jobs, how they work, how their lifestyle is, and how we can leverage that in the coming times. Last one is the realization of the privilege that we have working here, being able to impact so many lives and people and actually making their lives easier and better, while also realizing the potential that this industry has and the potential that we can leverage in the coming times as individuals and as a company. This was our first field trip and we were just trying to figure out how things work and how we can work around that. But from the next times we will come up with better content, better things to show you. Thanks so much.